Summer in Ireland, September 2008. It's just pissing down, non-stop.
Don't throw it to anybody, I said.
It's a reminder for myself not to come back here. Oh,
Don't say like that.
that's what it is. I threatened Board Fáilte that unless they pay me a pile of money, I'll show this to the world. Wouldn't that be a good idea?
No.
Blackmail Board Fáilte.
Not a good idea.
You still have that Board Fáilte crowd around promoting Ireland. Should be ashamed of themselves.
Ashamed of themselves.
Bringing anyone to this place. That's desperate rain now. Non-stop.
I'm thoroughly fed up.
All day. All night. And all day again. Rain.
Yesterday.
What day did it not rain?
It was rain yesterday.
What day did it not rain would be easier to answer here. Didn't rain on Sunday or Monday. Because we went fishing on Sunday.
It's a mythic on. That's what it is.